Today we're going to look at a selfie stick. Now, this is not one of those selfie sticks that stick out there and it's all wobbly and it feels like it's going to fall right off the end. This is one of those really good ones. And it's by Fugetek. Fugetek. The FT568 Professional Bluetooth selfie stick. This thing's 49-inch extension. Pretty good. And it's really solid. So what we have over here are the attachments where you can put the phone on. And let's get this out of the bag. Nice little bag, I like this. Sling it over the shoulder, take it with you easily. Now here we have the stick itself. And of course these would go on here. The one that I like to use because it's easiest with the phone. And it's on there, real simple. Take the phone, goes in there, boom, easy. And like I said, it extends 49 inches. So it's pretty good display. Nobody's gonna need more than 49 inches. So really good. Got a little hand strap. The clips are convenient, easy to use, and they work really well. Now we can take this off, right here, and this does have a GoPro attachment, but you have to order it separately. But it's not a big deal. Honestly, I could put my GoPro right here in this phone holder and it wouldn't be a problem. Right here you can mount the camera. The camera that's being used right now has this type of attachment for the end, but it happens to be on a tripod with my cameraman back there doing a good job for it. So what this thing is here is in case you don't have a phone with a front and a back camera. Mine does, so it's not a problem. But this snaps on the back here, and it allows you to be able to see yourself and know that you're within the camera view. It's a really good product. I recommend it. It's a high-end professional design, heavy duty and lightweight, and that's true. Higher purity aluminum alloy pole, and it's extendable to 49 inches. From 16.8 to 49 inches. Non-slip rubber handle. It does have the Bluetooth in it. It's in the handle here. It comes with a cord. The remote is, nice, where I can just have it in my hand over here. It doesn't have to be in that. So again, that's good too. And you take this thing, camping, hiking, whatever you do, and blogging, talking, making things up, entertaining people. It doesn't matter. It'll work. So, that's it from us at Blue Hand Reviews. We thank you for your time and looking in. And remember, like, comment, and smash that subscribe button. We need your subscribers to help us get new products to review. We're out. Bye.